To the border, please.
Certainly, sir.
So guys, welcome to the S65 AMG. This is like a second review. Max has already done the driving part of it, but an S65, that's something to be driven in and not to be driven by yourself, right? So we have amazing luxury over here. We even have, this is a 2015 model. Please take that into consideration. We have a sat-nav system over here and a remote to operate it. So you can choose with the remote left or right in the rear. So we have media, no disc. That's how old school this is. And you actually have a CD changer in here. Little cubby. You can get a refrigerator right here, but this model doesn't have it. And if you have inserted your favorite DVD or music or whatever was popular back in 2015, you can enjoy, and your colleague, wife, mistress, whatever, these beautiful, I love them so much, little Mercedes-Benz headphones by AKG. Just beautifully made and really nice. So let's put those back. So you can also adjust your seating right here. Enjoy a massage, some heating. Number 6, please. And if you're fully at rest, you can enjoy some more heating or even some seat ventilation, or just have a sleep before you hit the Autobahn.
But before we hit the Autobahn, let me show you petrol vibes. These things, you've seen them before on our channel. We absolutely love them. We've got them here in the workshop. We've got them in the sim room upstairs as well. This is the Ford GT. As you can see, we have it against this wooden wall now, so you have a different effect compared to the wall upstairs. But these things are amazing. The design is great. They are laser cut from steel, and you can have a custom design of your own car as well, which is mega. They also now have different versions available. So they have a neon one, which is backlit, looks super cool. They have a standing one, which is a bit smaller for your desk or something like that. They also have a frame with different angles, and for some cars they also have a front or rear angle or a top angle available. But go check out petrolvibes.com for all the different versions. Again, you can make one of your own car as well. Just send in a pic and they will make a design of your specific car with your accessories. Looks super cool. And use code AUTOBAHN10 for a 10% discount. Enjoy the video.
Little V12 lullaby. I have a little too much light in the back here, so I close this up. This is fantastic. So I now have my seat heating going, but I would also like to have this heated and this. So what we do is we grab our remote, we go to car, then vehicle settings, and we turn on surface heating. This is so cool. On. Oh. That is so nice. So now this is heated, this is heated. This has also been made so I can talk to my driver because my voice is amplified to the front, which is totally insane. Little mirror right there, little light right there. Everything is just so beautifully made. You know, it doesn't like flip back, it's a soft close even for this little handle right here. Just remarkable. You also have 4 climate zones, all fully automatic, as you can see. So I like it a bit cold in here. So it can go even further, I just discovered. And there comes the little footrest. So even I'm 1 meter 87 centimeters, and this is life for me. V12 Mercedes S-Class. I can see my altitude right here, which I just need when I go to sleep, because I'm afraid of heights, so. One last pull until we hit the border. Yeah, yellow plates moving left. We are definitely near the Netherlands. So guys, thank you for watching this little additional video. I have really enjoyed this S65 AMG. This is definitely something I want when we sell AUTOBAHN for like 10 million. I buy Max for one and he gets to drive me everywhere for the rest of his life. That's my dream, yeah. Little slave. Jeez. Thanks guys, hope to see you at the next one.